What are you doing, Taylor? What are you making?
Cookies.
Yeah? Did you mix it all up?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, now pour it in the pan. Pour it in the pan. All right. Look! You made a cookie! Look at all the cookies you made! Who can't have any cookies? Who can't have any cookies? Who? Tell me, tell me!
No.
No? You want to share your cookies?
Nom, 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 nom.
Taylor, who doesn't get any cookies? Uncle Eddie. Say it louder. Yell it. Yell it really loud.
Uncle Eddie.
He doesn't get any cookies? Why?
Oh no.
Because he's too far away. Who did you make all those cookies for?
Say Uncle Landon.
Who did you make them for?
Mommy?
No.
Who did you make them for then?
The Cookie Monster?
Cookie Monster.
Okay, say bye. I'm gonna eat all the cookies now.